Hello and welcome. Time for another Elden Ring tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to defeat the Dragonkin Soldier of Nokstella. And here it is on the map where it is located, the Ansel River. And then you're going to be in this little cavern here. And here are my stats, in case you want to pause the video and check out all of my stats. Fairly high level at 91. And so you're just going to run forward. There's the big statue right there. And then the creature is going to come right in front of you, drop right down. And then I'm going to get my Tish, summons Tish, because Tish is awesome. But you can use pretty much any summon just to keep him busy. Now, he's going to be on his hind legs a lot, so just go underneath him and then attack those legs. Just always stay by the legs. And then he'll do a little kick. You can roll out of that kick when you need to and just heal up behind the pillar. The pillar will keep you safe. And then I forgot to do my Wondrous Physic earlier, which I normally would do. But then again, once they're on their knee, once he's on his knees, just keep going out those legs right there underneath it. A lot of the enemies here in Elden Ring you can defeat by going after the legs when they are kind of on the ground. Same with the dragons and all that kind of stuff. But there you go. See if that helps you out a little bit if you are having trouble defeating the Dragonkin Soldier of Nokstella. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.